Trader, KWEB, we all know it's a Chinese monster. Look at the breakout when we featured it right here. It gapped, it broke out, had a little profit taking, and then gapped to an all-time high on KWEB. We sold into it. We had purchased the $30.50 call right here, okay? And the $30 calls were 724 on the low, and the high was 850 on this one. But we've owned it for quite a while. You can see how many breakout days that we got, along with the gaps. We had 3 gaps in this chart. We're right in a triangle right there. We could even break higher. I sold into the strength. I sold 10 contracts and kept 5 just in case there's another update.